The 193 top handle that was brought to me because it had been, I don't know if it was dropped or if it was hit by a tree. Actually, I got two of them. I got this one and a 540T Husqvarna. Both of them were not operational. Put the Husqvarna back with OEM parts because I could get them. Expensive, and went with Amazon for this one. Last thing I need to do is replace the broken brake lever, and I got one of those from Amazon also. I do want to add, to make it safer, you want to make sure that the brake itself is engaged, and that lessens the tension on that spring, which is going to be part of the tough part of this. After you get the cover off, you pop the spring off of this post with a screwdriver and a gloved hand over the spring. Next thing you do is you pull the spring totally off, and then the brake band itself pops out in the back, and then remove it in the front. So now that's off, and there's the E-clip. You want to take that off very carefully so it doesn't pop across the room. So I've got the brake through the case, and here's the new brake, Pharmatech. Not sure what I'm showing exactly there, but other than maybe that linkage is going through the brake itself. Slides in. It was a little tight, but you want to slide that in first, and then pop it over the post. Here you want to see, go back, that little ribbon of detent underneath. You're going to pull that down with your screwdriver. Put the E-clip back on. Put the bumper back in. Put the brake band back in, front and back. And lastly, the spring. It's a little tough, but just work at it. You can get it over the post with a small screwdriver. And then the cover goes back on. So there, that took all about 20 minutes maybe. Hopefully this helps. I'm gonna put it on, see if it works, and then call it good.